Hey, what's up, guys? Hope you all are doing well. In September of 2017, we made a video of how I DIY'd a Raspberry Pi case using two 12-volt batteries cover plate. And if you haven't checked it out yet, for all the references, do watch it later. The case still holds on till this day and is pretty good actually. So, summer is hitting us and I previously used a 12-volt fan from a computer's power supply facing at the Pi to cool it off, which was totally noisy and needed an external 12-volt adapter, but it worked and it didn't bother me so much. Staying at home, I wanted to improve my Pi's setup and I had the laptop lying around for a long time which my friend left for me use its spare part like RAM, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth card and battery. But I never gave a second look to its motherboard at all, which had a CPU cooling fan. I removed the fan and the heatsink from the motherboard held with screws and ripped it apart with a screwdriver, of course, managed to break two fins of the fan accidentally. Then, using the laptop's fan enclosure as a template, I cut the exact holes and the top of the Pi's case. Then, hooked the power lines for the fan onto the 3-volt and ground of Pi's GPIO set, and boom! That's how you use a laptop's cooling fan on a Raspberry Pi. I didn't record the video about it because I wasn't sure if I would be successful at it until the very end where everything worked so. Yeah, a PowerPoint presentation for you guys and a 10-second video for the noise level for you to judge. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe, stay home. Peace.